I'm going to make a coffee machine review. This is the new gear, the WPM 330 230 model, and this color is white, and so we're going to make an espresso with it, and we'll try and make a latte with it, and to see how good it performs or not. So this is made in China, and well, it's pretty big. It weighs about 228 kilograms, so the table is barely holds it. And you see, this is a portafilter. I just make one espresso with it afternoon, and then let's see. And it comes with this. It comes with this holder, and it's a baggage, a lug, a rubbish bin for the for this. Yeah. Open this machine. You're gonna tap this to open it, and it will go to preheat mode, and it had a boiler of 0.7 liters, so it takes about 4.5 minutes in summer to warm it up. And this machine comes with two types of water supply. One is the water tank supply and tap water supply here, and the hole is the line is about 2 meters. Not that long, I think. And the liter is 2.5 liters here. Okay. Listen to it. Whoa, look at the steam. Because this is the preheat mode, so we'll come up with some steam. Oh, baby dog. It's kind of interesting in that. Okay. Let's wait around 4 minutes, and the process will begin. The espresso making. For like 18 gram of coffee bean. Okay, and we're using the WPM ZD7 model to wait for this. I think it's around 18 gram. Okay, it's 7.6. So we're using this 15.6 gram of coffee bean to make around 30 gram of espresso. First we level it, try to make it even. Oh, even, and using the dam to press it. Okay, now we're making the espresso. Okay. Oh, okay. It's tight now. This one is a little bit small. We're using a bigger one. Okay. So the handlebar, you're gonna lift the handlebar to. It's around like 10 seconds, it won't have any liquid out, and you see the pressure gradually going up. Okay. Ooh. It's a failure one. Didn't make espresso. I think it's the dose is not right. It's too cozy, close, and make one more denser one. Espresso, but you can see obviously the temperature is not even hit 60 degrees Celsius. So, but I market that marker is set to 95 degrees. So it's a bit like you know, not hit the target. Okay, I made a more compact one, so I will try one more time the espresso. This time the cake is more compact. Okay, let's do it. The pressure is around 14 now, but okay, we'll see the espresso. It's around 20 seconds later around. So I'll end the process. I think now 51 seconds. All right, go and taste it. The process making the espresso is really loud. The pumping noise is loud. Okay, we give it a good stir here. Okay. Okay, let's try it. Let's see. The crema is good. Wow. Got fruit flavor. And the texture is okay. Let's see the temperature here. It's horrible. It's not hitting the temperature target at all. See the water coming out, the temperature of the water coming out. It's a more direct way here to check the temperature. Okay. Wait, I'll put it later. It's just crazy how bad performance about the temperature sets. I set to 96 degrees. See the water coming out. I let that come out for 55 seconds to see the temperature. I think it's okay. Oh no, it's just 44 seconds. Okay, 50 seconds. Okay, it stops. Water stops here, and let's see the temperature. The answer will be reviewed. Coming out of the group heads, the temperature is around I think 70 degrees. Celsius. It's not going up. It's really bad. I just bought it for like 2 days, and now I'm thinking about returning it. I tried a third time. I wait for around 5 minutes, and I made one more cup of espresso. The temperature is around 62 degrees at peak. I do warm the cup, so I do set the highest temperature target about 98 degrees, and the end result is 61 degrees espresso. So how they can explain that to me? I tried to check the temperature later today. I checked it twice, and the highest temperature on the portafilter, the water coming out, is 80 degrees Celsius, and the back-to-back shot is around 75 degrees Celsius. And I compare it with my old machine, a DeLonghi 685. You see it's here, and the temperature here is around 67. Can hit 67 degrees Celsius, and I think that's the end result. The highest you can get is around 80 degrees Celsius. So the cup coming out is better than the DeLonghi, but it's not that good. Okay, it's not that good as it try to propaganda the how well it can make espresso. It's not that good, but it's a lot better than the DeLonghi A65. So I think that's the end result of today's test.